Welcome to this gorgeous, meticulously cared-for home in a highly sought-after Northwest Portland location. Nestled on a large corner lot, it's located near top-rated schools and close to shopping, Nike, and the high-tech corridor of Washington County. Heading inside, you'll discover a grand entry in this light-filled home with tall ceilings, built-ins, and an inviting open-concept interior. The great room opens to the well-appointed kitchen with beautiful granite, stainless appliances, and bar seating. A separate dining room is perfect for entertaining. Plus, you'll find a generously sized bedroom and a full bath on this main level. Head up the open staircase with transom windows to the spacious master suite with vaulted ceilings and a large walk-in closet. The master bath is a soothing retreat with a separate tub, dual vanities, and a large shower. This home of more than 3,000 square feet has plenty of space with 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. A bonus or media room is ready for movie night. The large level backyard includes a covered deck, gas hookup, patio, and playground equipment. First time on the market, this one-owner home is beautifully cared for. Plus, you'll enjoy its energy-efficient furnace and central air conditioning. Your next home awaits, and it's all here ready for you in Northwest Portland. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Larry Burkett with Premier Property Group at 503-680-3018.